Hi friends, my name is Dhanush. Today I am going to explain you a few problems in kinematic synthesis. The first problem that I am going to discuss is about synthesis of a four-link mechanism to coordinate 3 points using path generation method. In the question they are given the following data. First of all, take a point A1 to represent the fixed point on the fixed link. From A1, locate 3 points E1, E2, E3 which are the coupler points located using the given data. For example, for A1 E1 is 55 mm and the angle was 75 degrees. Similarly, E2, E3 are constructed from the given data. Now A1, E2 and A1, E3 are rotated through angles 30 degrees and 70 degrees in anti-clockwise direction to obtain the points A1, E2 dash and A1, E3 dash. Now join E1, E2 dash and E1, E3 dash. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of E1, E3 dash and E1, E2 dash gives the point B1. Now B1 by rotation of 30 degrees gives AB2 and AB1 by 70 degrees gives AB3. Now take any arbitrary point AD of any suitable length. In my case, I have taken it as 70 mm. Now the points E2, B2, D1 and E3, B3, D1 join to form triangles. Now triangles similar to E2, B2, D1 and E3, B3, D1 are constructed on E1, B1 to form similar triangles. From this, two new points D3 and D2 are obtained. Now join D3, D2 and D2, D1. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of D1, D2 and D3, D2 gives the point C1. Now join A1, B1, C1, D1. The linkage A1, B1, C1, D1 is our required four-link mechanism. Discuss is about synthesis of a 4-bar linkage by inversion method. In the question they are given the following data. First of all, take a line segment AD of any suitable length. In my case, I have taken it as 80 mm. From D, draw a line segment DC1 of any arbitrary length and any orientation. In my case, I have taken DC1 as 70 mm with DC making an angle of 60 degrees is with AD. Now rotate DC1 through angles 50 degrees and 80 degrees in clockwise direction to obtain the points DC2 and DC3 respectively. Now join AC2 and AC3. Now AC2 and AC3 are rotated through angles given as 35 degrees and 80 degrees in anti-clockwise direction to obtain the points AC3 dash and AC2 dash. Now join C1, C2 dash and C1, C3 dash. The point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of C1, C2 dash and C1, C3 dash is located and the point is labeled as B1. Now A, B1, C1, D is our required 4-bar linkage which has been obtained using inversion method. To discuss is to design a slider crank mechanism to coordinate the following 3 positions of the input and of the slider for the given data by inversion method, and they have given the following data for the given question. It was given that the eccentricity equal to 20 mm. Draw two horizontal lines at a distance of 20 mm from each other. Now take a random point A on the bottom line and take C1, C2, C3 on the top line such that C1, C2 equal to 40 mm and C1, C3 equal to 96 mm. which was taken from the displacement of the slider from the question. Now join AC2 and AC3. Now AC2 and AC3 are rotated through angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees to obtain the points AC2' and AC3'. Now join C1 C2' and C1 C3'. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of C1 C2' and C1 C3' gives the point B. Now A, B, C represents the given slider crank mechanism which has been obtained using inversion method.